How would you like to copy and paste this Commission Accelerator sequence that made us $17 for every one person we got to click a link? Yes, that's $17 for every person that clicked a link. When we got 7 people to click a link, we made $119. When we got 70 people to click a link, we raked in $1,190. When we got 700 people to click a link, we stuffed $11,900 into our accounts. Then it was click, click, click all the way up to $50,197. And honestly, it almost felt wrong. I mean, aren't you supposed to dig ditches for a couple of years for that kind of money? Hi, my name is Richard Legg. That's me in the picture there with my family. No, I'm not the guy in the beard. Now, I've been online since 2005, and if someone came up to me then and said what I just told you, I'd say they're full of it. But just give me a couple of minutes to prove it to you. You see, you've been lied to by almost every bigwig guru out there. You'll find that what I'm about to show you breaks all the rules that they've been shoving down your throat in their out-of-date, rehashed programs. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can get the exact commission accelerator that we use to make $17 every time someone clicked a link. Now here's proof where we sent 2,796 clicks over a 3-day period, and in turn that generated $50,197 in sales. And here's another screenshot from our account just showing it 3-day sales over $51,000. Now that was our first attempt, but not bad, right? And when we added one little tweak, well, it was almost like splitting an atom. The next attempt we did is $65,107 in sales, with a profit per click of $26 every single time someone clicked a link. But it wasn't always like this. I'm sure you're used to seeing commission accounts looking just like this one too. Now I was tired of pushing a new offer to my list every day just to scrape a few bucks. I was tired of burning out my list and seeing it get less and less responsive each day. And my list was on life support. I was tired of worrying what I was going to try and sell next, hoping for that big one that would flood my account with commissions, like the big name marketers promised me. Now I was doing everything they told me to a T, so why wasn't it working like it was supposed to? That's when someone showed me how to break all the rules. His name's Jason Parker, and he showed me something he called a Commission Accelerator campaign. And he said I could use it under one condition, that we use it together and we split the cash. So I said, let's do it. Now all I did was copy and paste his exact 10-day Commission Accelerator email sequence. And when I sent the first sales email out, I took a look at my account, but nothing was happening. I refreshed the page a few times and still nothing was happening. I went pale in the face. I mean, this was supposed to work. Why wasn't it working? But it was getting late here in the UK, so I went to sleep. Then suddenly, in the middle of the night, my phone dinged. I thought it was just a text or something. I mean, I hadn't talked to my mom in a while, and maybe it was her wondering if I was still alive. But a few moments later, my phone started dinging, and dinging, and dinging over and over and over. I turned on the lamp, rubbed my eyes, and took a look. I was like, what the heck? The sales notifications were flying in like I've never seen before. I looked at the number of clicks, then the number of sales, and I could barely believe what I was seeing. When 10 people clicked a link, we made $170. When 100 people clicked the link, we made $1,700. When 1,000 people clicked the link, we made $17,000. And as more and more people clicked the link, more and more sales piled up. And it generated all the way up to $50,197. It worked out to $17 for every person who clicked the link. Now I was so excited that I couldn't go back to sleep. In the morning I called up Jason on the phone. I was so speechless I could barely even get a word out. All he said was, well, I told you so, very calmly. Now after seeing the results of using the Commission Accelerator just once, I knew others who were struggling to make commissions could use this too. I remember just days before when I was breaking my back just to make a few measly $7 commissions and thought about how I probably wasn't the only one out there. And it made me want to share the Commission Accelerator with everyone I could. Now I was afraid Jason would want to keep this for himself, but I was wrong. He said it doesn't create any competition for him whatsoever, so why would he need to hoard it? But now it's your turn to put the Commission Accelerator into action, because I'm literally going to give you a clone of it. They say you're supposed to teach a man to fish, but I'm just going to give you the fish. How does that sound? Look, I want to make this drop dead easy for you. I want to open a new door for you, a door to a whole new world of crazy commissions. And I want you to be able to walk through that door no matter how many times you may have failed in the past. Because it doesn't matter how many times you may have failed in the past. It doesn't matter if you have the IQ of Forrest Gump. You can do this. Because I'm handing you the exact Commission Accelerator you can use starting today. So here's exactly what you're going to get today. You get the 10-day email Commission Accelerator sequence You can start sending out today and watch what happens. You get the 90-minute video breakdown where Jason reveals the psychological secrets behind every step in your new commission accelerator. It's taken Jason years of study and thousands in expensive training to be able to harness these secrets. And not even your $5,000 internet marketing coach has a clue about any of this stuff we're going to show you. In fact, it would be enough alone just to show you the rare contents of this video. However, as I said, I want to make this easy for you. That's why I'm flat out handing you the Commission Accelerator sequence. You can load up these emails and watch your account fill with commissions. And if you're thinking, but wait Richard, what if I don't have an autoresponder or an email list? Don't worry, we've got you covered. You can even use this Commission Accelerator sequence on Facebook, and Jason does it all the time. This means that you can go from being a raw newbie who's never even had a sniff of being on a leaderboard to crashing the guru party. Even if you're just getting started building a list, or even if you have no list. And if for any reason in the next 60 days you don't think this Commission Accelerator is worth the few bucks we're asking, simply let us know and we'll refund every penny. Look, I know we've made some bold claims, so it's time to put our money where our mouth is. If you can show us you used the Commission Accelerator and didn't at least double your commissions on your first try, we'll give you double your money back. And when was the last time one of the bigwig gurus put their own money on the line when they promise you the world? They don't have the guts to do anything like this because they know their stuff is rehashed garbage. Look, I've been online since 2005 and I guard my reputation like a knight guards its king. So you know I'm good for this double guarantee. But even more importantly, picture what's going to happen if you pass this up right now. You'll be stuck staring at an empty account with more cobwebs than commissions. You'll be left behind, watching everyone else using their Commission Accelerator, posting their own screenshots of massive commission paydays on Facebook, listening to them ramble on and on about their success while you sit on the sidelines out of the game. You'll have to keep listening to your wife, husband, in-laws and friends asking you, so why haven't you made any money with this whole internet thing yet? Knowing that you passed up a guaranteed way to start making some real commissions online. Knowing that you still have to get up blurry-eyed at 6 AM to drive to a job you hate working for that horrible boss. I refuse to let that happen to you. So pull the trigger on this right now. You'll be able to access everything instantly. You'll get the Commission Accelerator sequence you can copy and paste for yourself. You'll get the Commission Accelerator video course and transcript that reveal the weird psychology behind it all. You're also going to get a secret bonus from Jason just for ordering. You can start using it all today. And the very worst that can happen is that you'll get double your money back. So just hit the button below now and I'll see you on the other side.